What is going on, guys? Here we are at the Joondalup train station, and the good thing about the train station is that the shopping mall is just beside it, as you can see over here, and it's massive. You name it whatever you want. You have Coles, Maya, Target, Big W, EB Games, JB Hi-Fi, Corner. Just so much to shop, so much to do. If you're planning to come over here, I would suggest you to just leave aside half a day to just explore this place. It's beautiful. Now I'm just going to go return back, so I'm just going to show you how we return back over here. Now make sure you have your Transperth card to tag on and tag off. If you don't have so, you might need to purchase, you will need to purchase ticket in order to do so. So here we are, and the X says that it doesn't work and the green says it does work, so just tag on over here, and there you go. So that's how you're gonna tag on, and we are going to platform 1. So let's see where it takes us. And we're going to platform 1, that is to Perth, as you can see. And like I said, guys, we are still in the COVID pandemic, so make sure you wear your mask while you are traveling. So let me do that. And as I said before too, if you are traveling to a train station, then make sure that you understand where you're going through, and to do that you'll see the boards over here. So as you can see, it will show you what all stops it will go to. So I'm going to Perth, and that's the last stop over here. So if you're not sure which platform to go to, platform 1 or platform 2, you can come over here and check the board. It will also tell you when will the train come. So as you can see, my train will come in 6 minutes, and the Butler train station will come in 2 minutes. So this is the beautiful train station over here. And yes, I hope you have liked this video. Thank you.